Kallima Box is the Kallima folding grade engineered specifically for folding carton applications. With its great printability and headache-free runnability on press, don't forget Kallima Box can also be used to print point-of-purchase displays, specialty packaging, and basic signage. Kallima Box is available coated one side and in 14-point, 16-point, and 18-point calibers, but due to how it's manufactured, it offers a basis weight advantage over other board grades as well as plastics. Kallima Box, like Kallima Cover, is made using a high bulk but low density construction, thus the yield advantage. High bulking pulps are used in the center plies of the sheet to yield lighter paperboard per printing area, while chemical pulps provide a smooth and consistent print surface. Like all other paperboard products, Kallima Box is made from wood fiber, a renewable resource. Paper offers a sustainable, cost-effective solution with outstanding print quality versus plastics. Not all indoor signage needs to be printed on plastics like vinyl, styrene, or corrugated polypropylene. It's available with FSC Chain of Custody certification upon request and is proudly manufactured here in Canada. Kallima Box also complies with the Food and Drug Administration rules surrounding direct and indirect contact with dry foods. So what's in it for you? It's available in 14-point, 16-point, and 18-point C1S. It has a basis weight yield advantage. Renewable fiber is a better alternative to films or plastics. It's made in Canada. It's FDA direct and indirect contact approved, and it's stocked in cartons and skids.